Ready to discover Amazon's most powerful tools before everyone else? These innovations are designed to make work faster, smarter, and more exciting. Stay tuned, because your next favorite tool might be just seconds away. Number 1. Measuring has never looked this futuristic. The Fanttik A10 Pro combines a traditional tape measure with a powerful 165-foot laser measuring system, giving you the best of both worlds in one compact device. Its vibrant HD IPS color display makes readings crystal clear, even in challenging lighting conditions. Whether you're calculating distance, area, or volume, this tool delivers professional-grade precision with remarkable ease. The rechargeable design eliminates the hassle of replacing batteries, while multiple measurement units offer flexibility for any project. Number 2. When power meets versatility, you get a tool like this. Designed for everything from furniture assembly to automotive repairs, this 2-in-1 drill and screwdriver delivers an impressive 45 Newton-meters of torque through a highly efficient brushless motor. The dual-function design lets you switch seamlessly between drilling and fastening tasks without slowing down. Included rechargeable batteries ensure extended runtime, making it perfect for longer projects. Number 3. Moving water has never been easier or more portable. This cordless water transfer pump transforms a compatible battery into a powerful pumping station capable of moving up to 720 gallons per hour. Ideal for pools, ponds, gardens, flooded basements, and emergency situations, it provides impressive performance without requiring extension cords. Its lightweight design makes transportation effortless, while the brushless motor enhances efficiency and durability. Number 4. If creativity had a power tool, this would be it. The DEPSTECH cordless rotary tool offers speeds up to 30,000 revolutions per minute and comes packed with 127 accessories for cutting, sanding, engraving, polishing, carving, and more. Its 5-speed settings give you complete control over delicate craft projects and demanding DIY tasks alike. The included guide attachments help improve precision, making intricate work easier than ever. Powered by a rechargeable battery, it provides the freedom to create without being tied to a power outlet. Number 5. Big cutting power doesn't always require a massive machine. This compact cordless mini chainsaw is designed for effortless one-handed operation while delivering impressive performance for pruning and trimming tasks. Its lightweight construction makes it especially appealing for homeowners, beginners, and anyone looking for greater maneuverability. The powerful motor cuts through branches quickly, reducing effort and saving valuable time. The rechargeable battery provides cordless freedom, allowing you to work throughout your yard without restrictions. Number 6. Sometimes the smallest design changes make the biggest difference. The MAXPOWER Extendable Ratchet wrench features a telescoping handle that extends from 10.8 to 16.4 inches, giving you extra leverage exactly when you need it. Its dual-drive design supports both 3/8-inch and 1/2-inch sockets, reducing the number of tools you need to carry. The 72-tooth ratcheting mechanism allows smooth operation in tight spaces where every degree matters. Quick-release functionality makes socket changes fast and effortless. Number 7. Welcome to a whole new level of precision. The Andonstar digital microscope transforms tiny components into massive, crystal-clear images on its large 10.1-inch display. With up to 2000x magnification and stunning 2160p UHD recording capability, it's a dream tool for electronics repair, soldering, inspections, and detailed craftsmanship. Multiple lenses provide exceptional versatility for different applications. The included helping hands and accessories create a complete workstation experience right out of the box. Number 8. Professional-looking woodworking projects become dramatically easier with the Kreg 720 Pro. This advanced pocket-hole jig simplifies joinery while delivering strong, clean, and accurate connections every time. Designed for materials ranging from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches thick, it offers impressive versatility across numerous woodworking projects. Its built-in clamping system speeds up setup and improves consistency, reducing frustration during assembly. Number 9. Getting stranded with a dead battery can ruin your day in seconds. The WOLFBOX 4000A jump starter ensures you're always prepared by delivering enough power to start large gas and diesel engines with ease. Its compact size makes storage convenient, while the bright LED display keeps critical information visible at a glance. Beyond jump-starting vehicles, it functions as a portable power source for charging devices during emergencies. Number 10. Portable power reaches an entirely new level here. The Jackery Explorer 2000 Plus delivers a massive energy capacity designed to support camping adventures, RV living, emergency backup situations, and off-grid projects. Its expandable system allows users to dramatically increase storage capacity as needs grow. With powerful output capabilities, it can run multiple devices and appliances simultaneously. Solar charging support offers sustainable energy wherever the sun shines. Number 11. Straight lines are no longer a challenge. The Huepar 4x360 laser level projects bright green laser lines across entire rooms, creating precise references for tiling, framing, ceiling installations, cabinetry, and renovation work. Its self-leveling technology eliminates guesswork while dramatically improving accuracy. The included tripod expands positioning options, making setup fast and convenient. Outdoor pulse mode extends usability beyond indoor projects. Number 12. This isn't your average distance meter. Equipped with Bluetooth connectivity and an integrated angle sensor, the Huepar laser measuring tool provides advanced measurement capabilities for professionals and homeowners alike. Its impressive range allows large-scale measurements without assistance, while exceptional accuracy helps eliminate costly mistakes. Bluetooth support makes transferring data quick and convenient. Number 13. Electrical troubleshooting becomes much safer and easier with the KAIWEETS voltage tester. Combining a screwdriver and voltage detector into one compact tool, it helps identify live wires and electrical issues quickly. The LCD display provides clear readings while contact and non-contact detection modes offer added flexibility. Compact enough to fit in a pocket, it's ideal for homeowners, electricians, and maintenance professionals. The integrated continuity testing capability expands its usefulness across a variety of applications. Number 14. When stubborn bolts refuse to budge, this is the tool you want in your hands. Delivering up to 900 foot-pounds of torque, the JESIMAIK impact wrench provides serious fastening and loosening power for automotive, construction, and equipment maintenance tasks. Multiple speed settings allow precise control across different applications. The brushless motor improves efficiency while extending tool life. Included batteries help ensure you stay productive without constant interruptions. Number 15. We're ending with a tool that brings professional finishing power to your fingertips. The SPTA Cordless Mini Polisher is perfect for removing scratches, restoring shine, and tackling intricate polishing jobs that larger machines simply can't reach. Its cordless design offers exceptional maneuverability, while multiple polishing modes provide flexibility for various surfaces. Whether you're detailing a vehicle, restoring trim, or refining delicate finishes, precision remains under your control. Which of these incredible tools would you add to your workshop first? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this countdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing Amazon gadgets and game-changing innovations. Until next time, keep building, creating, and discovering the tools that make life easier.